How to receive money from Western Union. So the most common way to receive money from Western Union is by picking up the cash. So when the person sends you the money, what you're gonna have to do is simply choose cash pickup. So as you can see, how does the receiver want the money? So they're gonna have to choose cash pickup. Now, when they go to basically send the money, so as you can see, how do you like to pay? So they can either pay with their credit card or they can go and pay cash in store. So if they choose the second one, this one here with pay cash in store, they're gonna receive a receipt. Basically, on that receipt, there's gonna be a code. So they're gonna have to send you that code, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply visit your nearest agent location, the Western Union one, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply show a government issued photo ID, and then you can get your money once your details have been verified. Of course, the sender is gonna need to basically enter your personal information like your first and last name, and basically they can send the money to you and you can receive the money with that code. And if you go to the nearest location of Western Union in your city. Now, of course, if you want, you can receive the money directly to your bank account, but in this case, they're gonna have to simply enter your first and last name and your IBAN, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.